Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah, amma ba'd. So, in here I wanna presentation about my portfolio that I want to explaining my project from 7th grade until 9th grade. What are we doing, or what are I doing, what I doing in IDN in 3 years. So in the list of contents, I wanna in the first uh, session I wanna do introduction, and the second there is my CV. The third session there is game project, and the fourth session is there is my website. The fifth is IoT. The sixth is multimedia. Seven is Android. Eight is English, and nine is Dinia, and 10 is about my experience and achievement. So, hello all. Radikta Ahmad Khalifarwan is my name. I usually get called Radikta by people. I was born in East Jakarta and now I live there too. I was born in 2000. I was born in East Jakarta and now I live there too. I was born in 2009, 12 December, and I was the first child in my family. And I have one little sister. And this is my portfolio. Don't forget to read it until now. Ciao. And this is my CV. I have experience in teaching in my elementary school, SDIT Izatusuna, and 6 time in SMP Islam Al Ansor, and 2 time in Pesantren Inklusi Griasuna. And competition, I ever joined some of competition, and I will explain it later. And I ever education in from 2015 until 2017. I ever play group in Izzatu Sunnah, and after play group in Izzatu Sunnah, I continue to the elementary school. The elementary school is same, school, but different, different like different different jenjang. I from 2017 different levels. I from 2017 until 2022 I in SDT Zatusuna, and 2022 until now I in SMP Denbury School Jonggol. And there is skills, my skills, as you can see in here. I will explain it later, and you can contact me in here. There is my Instagram, my phone number or WhatsApp, and there is my Facebook, and there is my LinkedIn. If you wanna contact me, you can check them out. Okay, I will start from the game project. In the first game project, or in the 7th grade, the very first game that I ever make in Scratch is about Scratch. In Scratch, I mean. And I make the game about catching fruit. So catching fruit is a very basic game. Like there's a ball, and there is from the sky will falling, like there is fruits and a bug. So the main quest is we need to catch the fruit and avoid the bugs. And the last game that I make in Scratch is Pac-Man. So like usually Pac-Man that the millennials play when they sweet 17s. The popular game in Google's in arcade, that is, yes, I remake the Pac-Man in Scratch, but with my version. And we jump to the second semester in 7th grade. I make 3D game that the name called Jumping Cube. So this game is pretty simple. Like you just need to jump, press the space to make the cube is jumping to avoiding the spikes. And then the last project in 7th grade second semester is about Crossing Road. So Crossing Road is a very simple game, but hard to make. So the game is just you see the red blocks in here. Yes, this is us in the build box in the game, and we need to jump until here, and we need to jump to the next block and the next block. But if we have the wrong timing, we will fall and game over. And I will move to the websites. So website that I make at the first 7th grade, this is actually the really the first project that I make in IDN. Is about my personal website. So what are we doing, or what I am doing, why I make this website? Because in IDN we collecting our projects, collecting anything like our task, our documentation in our personal website. That's why if you're curious about my project, you can visit my personal website. Next, my second my second website that I make is school website. School website is like usually school website that you uh, ever found or ever open to register your son or you to go to school, just like that. And why we make this website? Because personal website is not enough to train myself or train us to making website. And also this is I making in the different platform. This is with WordPress, and this is with Google Sites. Next, this is the most website. Why I make this website is the same reason with the school website, to train or to learning more about website by ourselves. And we continue to IoT. So in the first semester, I make a robot that line follow. The name is line follower. So what is that line follower? Basically, line follower is like the name. The robot will following the line, the black line, until it finish or until the battery is ran out. And next, the second is about remote control, like RC. Actually, RC. Like I make, actually not make, but coding or make the program in the picture that you see. This is the name is Microbit. I make the program in here, and then I install it to the robot. So in this project I make 100% fully function remote control like you usually see in the toy shop. And then I make still in Microbit, I make a fire detection. So fire detection is my third project on IoT. So this project can detect fire, like its name. So there's the sensor that if the sensor detect heat or get attached with fire, the sensor will react and making loud noise. And then flood detection. Actually, this is not only flood detection. This is also earthquake detection. So this project can detect ground vibration. Like if there is vibration in the ground, it will make the alarm or the buzz make a noisy sound. And if and also this robot can detect or see water level. If it's too high, it will detect for a flood, and the alarm will also make a noise. Continue to multimedia. Actually, this is not only from in the 8th grade, but this is also in 9th grade or in 8th grade. So at the first, I make a poster. So this is my very first poster in Figma. So this poster is about promotion poster to make food poster like that. And next, I make a UI, not UX, but UI UX. So what is UI UX? Basically, this is the UI, like the application like Instagram. Instagram is also have UI. UI is the homepage that you see, like the picture, like the button. That is UI. But UX is the program. So the inside of that UI or inside that application. Next, this is 3D design. 3D design that I make in Tinkercad, and I make about miniature of house. And next, I make animation in Canva. Yes, in Canva. Why not in Adobe Illustrator or in here in InShot, in CapCut? I don't know how to make animation in another software other than Canva. That's why I make in Canva. The easiest way and the thing that I know at that time how to make animation. We move to Android. So in the first 9th grade or in the semester 1, we make about name card in Codular. So what is that name card? Usually, like you meet people, you will or you apply for a job. You will give your boss a name card, right? Or maybe someone want to know you, you will give your name card, right? But there is full of effort. You need to print, have the money, and you need to carry it a lot. So in here we made it more simple and more futuristic, because you just need to open your phone. After that, show it to the person that want to know you more, and they can take a picture of it, or maybe you can share the application to them. Yes, so you only need to carry your phone, not carrying that old school way name card. Next, calculator. Calculator is my last project in Codular, but I not make that basic calculator. In this calculator, I make more many feature in this calculator. So what is special about it? So in this calculator is not only can this thing, not only can calculate like 1 plus 1 equal 2 or 3 plus 5 is equal 8, but in here we can calculate about square, triangle, trapeze, rhombus, parallelogram. Yes, we can, with this application we can counting the object, and that's why this calculator is more special and more full functionally calculator than that old school calculator. Next, we jump to the after mid semester. So in here I make Bitaqwa. Bitaqwa is basically application for Muslim people, like name Bitaqwa. And what the special about this application? So inside the application there is so much Islamic feature that you can make. Like there is azan reminder, there is you can watch video kajian, and then there is what doa harian, and there is zakat counting. You can count zakat based with your wealth inside this app. That is Bitakwa that I make in Flutter, 100% fully based with code. In the language with Dart. Okay, I wanna jump to the English. So this is my last project. So this last project is me getting interview by my English teacher. Yes, only that. After that, teacher of the day. So teacher of the day is basically I'm teaching my friends about something that I already searched by myself. So I teach it to my friend and give them question. After that, give them reward. Only that simple. After that, there is mini contest. Mini contest is agenda in English class that we make contest about English like storytelling, speech, and other. So like there is the MC like usual contest, but it's just inside the class, not in the stage, not in the talk show. No, we making contest inside the class. That's why the name is mini contest. And what inside or what is we doing or what are we doing in the contest? So there is the MC, there is the judge, there is ice breaking, there is speech, storytelling, and that. And there is also a winner too. And for the winner, will get prize by the teacher. Next, uh, I make podcast with my one of my friends. So what inside the podcast? So we're talking about something in this world happen like at that time or in here in the 2025 the fourth month the viral tragedy is in Palembang. There is uh, there is a influencer that making food in the middle of the Palembang. After that, getting chaos. We're talking about that in the podcast, but not that ya. I didn't talking about that in this podcast because that is only for example. And this is the practical exam. So basically, like in the practical exam, I tell about Kazuhiko Smoky Nagata. And who is this guy? He is a legendary tuner from Japan that love about speed. Uh, and the main thing in this practical exam is telling story about famous people, how could they become famous. Maybe that's all from English, and we next to Dinia. So in Dinia, in here, I will only showing two of my project because the duration is already getting too long. So in here, I make a series of video that telling story about Prophet and his companions. So like I just storytelling in this video, and this is Arabic conversation. Arabic conversation is like just the name. I'm making a conversation with my one of my friend, and uh, acting we are like like candid. We're talking with Arabic language and in candid. Okay, I will jump to achievement. In achievement, I have several achievement in English. There is OSSE, LKN, and POSN. And in OSSE, I get silver medal. LKN, I get fifth place, and POSN, I get silver medal. And for certification, I have JavaScript course that already been finished, and CSS course that's already been finished also. And jump to experience. Experience in here, the latest experience that I have had is actually not actually an edu race, but this is the most unforgettable moment in my life in junior high school because this is very interesting. Like the friendship work get in here, and survival is the best. This is the best experience that I ever had. And the mission of this uh, agenda is our task is from Jonggol until Kota Tua, we must go with public transportation, with angkot, with TJ, with LRT, KRL, and yeah, that's it. And we only get 100,000 from IDN. And then I ever go to IDN teaching, and this is also the required task in IDN if you want to graduate. There is cooking class activities, like we making food for ourselves, and yeah, like cooking class. Okay, maybe that's all from me. I'm sorry if I have some mistake and several missing word, because I still learning. And maybe that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.